Newark, a small market town, but it's bustling with animals. Spring has sprang here in Newark, which means it's the season for lambs. These lambs are just 1 month old, and on this farm there have been approximately 80 lambs born so far this spring. The mother sheep, or ewes, are still getting used to their barn being so busy and full of life. Their lambs are bursting with energy, which sometimes grates on the mother's nerves. Here, some lambs are still feeding on the mother's milk. It looks to me that the mum is ready for a rest from it all. Sibling play fighting is common in this barn, as the lambs compete to see who can be the strongest. After a long day on the farm, all there is left to do is rest. Another farmyard animal that can be seen in Newark are the pigs. I found them to be a rather curious bunch. They had no problem in wandering over to take a look at what I was doing. As we say goodbye to the pigs, I feel like we need to return back to the farm where we first saw the lambs, because there's another fluffy animal I think you'll need to see. The alpacas. Much like the pigs, humans make alpacas curious, but they can be spooked easily, and they prefer the contact of their experienced handlers. Much like the lambs, a long day on the farm calls for a sit down every once in a while. During the making of this programme, the alpacas and the lambs were filmed at JandJ Alpacas on the outskirts of Newark.